So, do you know how to work out this question on arc length? We've been given here that the arc length of the sector is 6.1 centimeters, and we need to work out the radius r. So first of all, what is the arc length? Well, it's referring to this length here, this curve. You will need to have that formula memorized. You might use pi times diameter, you might use 2 pi r. That's a complete personal preference. I normally use pi times diameter, but I think in this case I might as well use 2 pi r because we're looking for a radius. And then the rest of the formula for the arc length is the angle divided by 360. The arc length is 2 pi r times theta, or the angle in other words, over 360. However, do you see how we've actually been given the arc length? So I can get rid of this, and in its place I know that that is actually 6.1 as a number. Now I'm going to substitute in any other numbers I know. Do you see how here we actually know the angle is also going to be 50? So let's replace this. Now can you see how my equation has only got one unknown letter, the r? So I can literally just deal with it by solving. So I want to get r on its own and move everything else across. There are different orders that you can do this, it's completely up to you. What I'm going to do is just divide first of all by this whole fraction. So if we get our calculator, I can do 6.1 divided by 50 over 360, which is 43.92. Make sure you don't round anything too soon here, just write down all the decimals if you can. And we're left with 2 pi r on the other side. Last of all, I need to divide by 2 pi. So I'm going to take my answer and just go straight into dividing by 2 pi. And as you can see, that gives me 6.99 ... so I can easily round that to 7, to the nearest whole number. So always start off with a formula for this type of question and then solve it to find the missing letter. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where I have full videos going into more detail. Link is in my bio.